Alright, MT8 on the porch. Got a little USS Fitzgerald update. It's a short one. When I left Japan, I brought up AIS merchant tracking, and I saw its course, and it's going through the Panama Canal. Now, I had to switch computers in the meantime, had to buy a new one, and now I can't seem to bring up the track. I don't know if they're hiding it, which is probably true, but it's due in Pascagoula on the 16th of January. So if you're living in Panama and you're on the banks of the canal, I would say look for her on the 11th or 12th. And try to shoot me a picture or a video of her going through the canal if you can. I think it's only 4 or 5 days for her to get to Pascagoula after going through the Panama Canal. Remember, I was stationed during the invasion, but yeah, that'd be really cool to see. So today is the 8th of January, so 8 more days and hopefully we'll see some resolution, because nobody's covering her. Alright, Fitzgerald update. We'll talk to you later.